If you're a home cook, then you need to master this. Cooking perfect rice. So here's the secret to perfect rice every time. It's all in the water ratio and a simple trick. Use 1 part rice to 1.5 parts water. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Then bring it to a boil, cover it and simmer on low for 18 minutes. Here's the trick. Let it sit covered for 10 minutes after cooking. Fluff with a fork. Perfect rice, no stress. Got a rice tip of your own? Drop it in the comments. Where are you watching from? Share below. And don't forget to subscribe or follow for more tips.